OCTAVO Hand Mixers Electric, Handheld Electric Mixer with easy eject button, 2 wired beaters plus 2 dough hooks and storage base with ultra power 250 watts, 5 speed. Strong power hand mixer 250W powerful motor can be a good choice for your kitchen. As a serious cooker or chef, you can take care of stiffest of doughs. High quality metal attachments. This mixer set includes 4 attachments, 2 dough hooks for whipping dough, 2 beaters for mixing ingredients and whipping eggs. Perfect for cooking or baking. 5-speed configuration. Multiple speed hand mixer will meet all of your mixing need. Slower start gives you smooth and trouble-free start. All settings are thumb operated, which means the hand mixer is very easy to use. Comfortable use. Easy to clean. High quality silicone anti-slip handle design that offers comfortable grip. All the attachments are dishwasher safe, you can clean it with a single damp cloth. Easy to store. Most of the attachments store neatly in a plastic storage base, so you won't lose them to the depth of a drawer. It is good for making bread, cakes, flour, cookies, whipping cream and everything in between. Like our video, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching our video.